Okay, what we're seeing here is we're setting up for our autometer gauges. These are the ultralight autometer gauges selected by the customer. And what we have next to it is our older style, something we've used over the years. This is a, for lack of a better term, it's called Karoq, or it's really a Corian, made out of a countertop. And we're using this as kind of to base this gauge cluster off of. This gauge cluster right here is going to have the 5-gauge cluster, which is tachometer, speedometer, oil, fuel, temperature, and oil, or a variation on that. And there's a couple other gauges, but we're cutting out the aluminum plate here, and the customer has selected that they go in this position, and ultimately these holes right here will bolt it onto the dash, and then we're going to have some turn signals, high-low for the high beam and whatnot. And again, this is our gauge cluster that we're using. And this right here is the RPM tachometer, and I'll tell you more about how we're going to make that work in relationship, say, to the diesel engine. So I'll get out of his way, and he's going to continue to just hog it out. He's going to continue to kind of work at that to get more mils of thickness off there, so that drops down there real nice. If I were to turn around in here, and this is obviously the Land Cruiser is going in behind me. It's hard to see, but it'll go in here. We're waiting for a boost gauge to arrive, and this boost gauge will measure the amount of the AXT turbo, which is also yet to arrive. However, we have the roll cage bolted in, and a lot of little things done.